Are you seeing system error E203 on your Xbox? Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you step by step on how to fix it and get your console running again. Let's jump right in. First, try a simple restart. Press and hold the Xbox power button for 10 seconds until it shuts down completely. Then turn it back on. Sometimes this clears up temporary system glitches. If the error keeps showing, you will need to enter troubleshoot mode. To do this, power off your Xbox, then press and hold the bind and eject buttons. And while holding them, press the power button, release them after you hear two startup chimes. You will now be in the troubleshooting menu. Inside the troubleshoot menu, first select restart this Xbox. If that doesn't fix it, go back and choose reset this Xbox. Select keep my games and apps so you don't lose your data. This refreshes the system files while keeping your content safe. If the error still appears, you will need to perform an offline system update. Download the update file from Xbox official website onto a USB drive. Plug it into your Xbox and choose offline system update from the troubleshoot menu. This reinstalls the system software and usually clears error to E203. If none of these steps work, your Xbox might need professional repair. Head over to the official Xbox support page for further assistance. And that's how you fix Xbox error E203. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and check out my other Xbox fix guides right here on the channel. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.